Well, here we have a package from AutoLinkr. I believe this one is one of those Apple CarPlay adapters. So let's see. Yes, it is. And I like doing these ones because they're super easy to review or install. Just basically plug it into the car and it starts working. So we're gonna find an old car with no Apple CarPlay to do it. So here I am in the Land Rover Defender, and I have here the AutoLinkr. Stream any app on your car screen. So let's see how easy this is. This is it, very slim design. We have a couple of options for connection, the USB-C regular to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C directly. So we have that here. We're gonna go ahead and connect it down here. Let's turn on the car. Let's see what happens. Let's connect a phone now. It does it automatically. Look, even without me doing anything, it started doing it on its own. Wow, that's an easy demonstration. I didn't have to do absolutely anything. So let's add a device here. Turn on your Bluetooth and the phone is here. You can start watching anything here. Where you are watching this video. Connected now. So we're gonna go out for a drive later and see how this is used, but it's as simple as connecting it to the device, to the USB-C port, and then you're done. Bluetooth, and that's it. I love doing these reviews because they make it easy on me. You don't have to download any app or anything. Plug and play. Works while parked or driving, and you have access to any applications with this. So really good product, highly recommended. I'm going later for lunch and we'll see how it works in the real life. Here's the instruction manual, but as you saw, it's so intuitive that you don't have to do anything to make it work. But if you want to be a more detailed person, you will read through this. There's an app actually you can download too. But again, you can just connect it and start working with it. So I'm gonna put it back here in the box. We're gonna go to lunch later and we're gonna use either Waze or maps to navigate there. So here we are with the AutoLinkr. It's already set up as you saw before. Thinking a little bit, takes a couple seconds to, there you go. We have everything here. Let's use Waze on this one. So I'm gonna put this location that I have a lunch meeting.
Starting route to Richteter.
There you go. So
proceed to Southwest 68th Court, then turn left.
Works perfectly. Here we go.
Turn right onto Northwest 24th Street. Then the destination is on your right.
So we're almost here and the system works really, really well. No glitches, no anything. So there you have it. One of the most effective Apple CarPlay and other apps adapter. So highly recommend. So I'm back now and I can use the AutoLinkr to do other things besides navigating. Google, HBO Max settings. Obviously you'll have to add your accounts to that, but there you have it. Really easy to install and easy to use. So plug in, connect to Wi-Fi and start streaming. That's all you need. Thumbs up.